young man, that was a beautiful melody. Why hadn't I heard it before?
Because, my dear friend, I only wrote it last night.
Well, it was very good.
Good? It was magnificent.
You owe 8 francs 50 for the wine. Our bargain was 1 concert for 1 dinner without wine.
Our bargain, my dear sir, was music in exchange for indigestion. We have both fulfilled our contract.
You're not going until you pay me 8 francs 50 centimes.
The man is money mad.
If you don't pay for the wine, I send for the police.
Very well, have them arrest me for eating your horse meat.
Pig! I served you chicken, breast, wing, chicken!
Horse meat.
You won't pay for the wine and insult my food, will you?
Give me back my music, you horse killer.
Joseph! Here! Allah! Allah! Police!
How do you do?
This cab's occupied.
Beautiful.
Oh, driver.
Allow me. You see?
I see.
He congratulates you. He approves.
He would. He's an idiot.
But romantic.
Driver, take me to the pension.
La Tour.
Lafitte.
Thank you. I just wanted to know where you live.
Oh, very clever.